Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can pin a comment on your Instagram post.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Insta account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Open the post whose comment you want to pin. Now, swipe right on the comment you want to pin and select the first option. Again, tap on the pin comment option, and that's it. Your desired comment is pinned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.